ye, hear ye! Today we journey to the mystical lands of Westeros, where culinary delights rival tales of dragons and battles. Our quest to bake lemon cakes fit for a king or perhaps a Khaleesi. Imagine yourself in a grand hall, firelight flickering, the air thick with anticipation. Minstrels tune their instruments, and the aroma of citrus and sugar wafts through the air, promising a sweet end to an eventful day. We'll craft these cakes with our own hands, infusing them with the flavors of sunshine and the spirit of adventure. So gather your ingredients, don your aprons, and let the baking commence. Every grand adventure requires provisions, and our culinary journey is no different. Just as a knight prepares for battle, we must gather our essential ingredients. Fear not, for these ingredients are far less daunting than a dragon and can be found within your own pantry. They are the building blocks of our delicious creation. First, we require the foundation of our cake's flour, fine and white as snow on the King's Road. This will give our cakes their structure and form. Next, sugar, sweet as the songs of a siren, to lend a delicate sweetness. It will balance the flavors and add a touch of magic. Butter, rich and golden as the Lannister fortune, will ensure our cakes are tender and moist. Its creamy texture is essential for a perfect bake. Eggs, symbols of new beginnings, will bind our ingredients together in perfect harmony. They add richness and help our cakes rise beautifully. And finally, the stars of our show, lemons, their vibrant zest and tangy juice reminiscent of the sun-drenched hills of Dorne. They will infuse our cakes with a burst of fresh citrus flavor, making each bite a delightful experience. With our provisions assembled, let us transform these humble ingredients into edible gold, a true alchemical marvel. First, preheat your oven, its warmth mimicking the dragon's fiery breath, ensuring our cakes rise with the power of ancient magic. Grease and flour your cake tins, preparing them to cradle our golden creations, much like a knight readies his armor for battle. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy, like clouds drifting above the red keep, a sign of the perfect blend. Beat in the eggs one at a time, each addition enriching the batter, much like the layers of history enrich our beloved realm. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and a pinch of salt, representing the balance of power in the realm, a delicate dance of flavors. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing until just combined, ensuring harmony in our mixture. Avoid over-mixing, lest our cakes become tough as a Lannister's heart, for tenderness is the key to our success. Section 4, the scent of sunshine and citrus. Now for the magic touch that will transport our cakes to the heart of Dorne. Zest your lemons, releasing the fragrant oils that hold the essence of sunshine. Add the zest to the batter, along with the juice of the lemons, their tangy brightness cutting through the sweetness. Mix until the batter is infused with the vibrant flavor of citrus. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared cake tins, their smooth surfaces awaiting the golden transformation. Place them carefully in the preheated oven and allow the heat to work its magic. Section 5. A feast for royalty. As our cakes bake, filling the air with the intoxicating aroma of citrus and warmth, let's prepare a feast fit for royalty. Imagine a long wooden table, laden with platters of savory meats and roasted vegetables. Goblets gleam in the flickering candlelight, awaiting the pour of rich Dornish wine. And at the center of it all, our lemon cakes, their golden crowns dusted with a delicate shower of powdered sugar, stand as a testament to our culinary prowess. Section 6. Echoes of Laughter and Lemon Zest. In this chapter, we delve into the heart of medieval kitchens, where the essence of lemon zest and the joy of baking come alive. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The anticipation in the air is palpable as everyone gathers around the oven, eyes gleaming with excitement. The cakes have emerged from the oven, their golden surfaces a promise of delight. The sight of these perfectly baked treats brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. Allow them to cool slightly before inverting them onto a wire rack, their delicate crumb deserving of gentle handling. This step is crucial to ensure the cakes maintain their perfect texture. As the cakes cool completely, the aroma of lemon zest and vanilla fills the air, mingling with laughter and conversation. The kitchen becomes a haven of delightful scents and happy moments. Slice the cakes, their tender interiors revealing a symphony of flavors. Each slice is a testament to the art of baking, showcasing the perfect blend of ingredients. Each bite is a journey to Westeros, a taste of sunshine and citrus that lingers long after the last crumb is gone. The flavors transport you to a different time and place, filled with warmth and happiness. So gather your loved ones, raise a glass to good food and good company, and savor the magic we've created together. This is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of tradition, love, and the simple joys of life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lemon cake recipe, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and follow us on Instagram for more delicious recipes. See you next time.